Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this ultrasonic cleaner for your dentures, for your mouth guards, bite guards. You can even use it for jewelry, but it has this nice basket inside too as well, so you can pull out your stuff without getting your fingers wet. And it's super simple to use. You are going to get some tweezers as well if you wanted to grab it, and a cleaning brush, so you can clean your bite guards. Here's mine. And so what we can do is just drop it in, right? Close the lid, and you hit this power button. And that's it. This is a 5-minute cleaner. Also has a nice ultraviolet too to kill any germs or bacteria. And this is going to run for 5 minutes. When it's set, you'll have a clean mouth guard. A lot more sanitary than just scrubbing it or letting it soak and stuff. This ultrasonic cleaner does a great job just getting all that grime off. And so when you put this in your mouth, it's like a brand new mouth guard every single time. Really cool. And we can go to a 3-minute timer too as well. So you do have a 5 or 3, but we'll let that run on our 5 and we'll come back. All right, it finished up, and here is our mouth guard. This is super clean. You can go ahead and dry this off. You can even give it a little scrub if you wanted to, but now you can go ahead and let this dry and then put this in your mouth every night, and you're good to go. You can put in your solution of choice to clean your mouth guard, but other than that, that's it. It does plug in. It comes with the cable. And a shout out to the company for gifting me this so I could do a review.